Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we dive into the heart of intriguing topics and shatter common myths to bring you the raw truth. Today, we're embarking on an eye-opening journey to dismantle some of the biggest misconceptions swirling around the wealth divide. Have you ever caught yourself believing that all rich people do is lounge in luxury cars, flaunt designer brands, and hobnob with celebrities? Or perhaps you've fallen for the myth that the wealthy have a secret agenda to keep the rest of us poor? Buckle up, because we're about to peel back the layers of fantasy to reveal what the affluent truly do and don't do with their fortunes. From the cars they actually drive to the fashion they really wear. And the surprising truths about their taxes, we're exposing it all. So hit that subscribe button and let's get ready to challenge everything you thought you knew about the rich and the poor. You're not going to want to miss this. Number 1. The misconception of luxury cars. Many believe that the epitome of wealth is owning a Ferrari or Lamborghini, envisioning these luxury cars as the daily drivers for the affluent. However, the reality is quite the opposite. The rich often prioritize practicality over pomp, opting for cars that offer comfort and security. It's not uncommon to find the wealthy behind the wheels of a Tesla or a Volvo rather than a flashy supercar, debunking the myth of high-end sports cars as a staple in every millionaire's garage. Number 2. High-end fashion brands. There's a common belief that the wardrobe of the wealthy is filled exclusively with brands like Gucci. Yet, this couldn't be further from the truth. Most luxury fashion consumption is driven by the younger generation and not necessarily the super rich. In fact, many celebrities are paid to wear these brands, creating a false association of luxury with success. The real wealthy often choose subtlety over showiness, proving that opulence isn't always about the label. Number 3. Celebrity friendships. A widespread assumption is that all rich people rub shoulders with celebrities, living a life filled with glamour and fame. This notion is largely fueled by media portrayal, yet many wealthy individuals lead lives far removed from the glitz of Hollywood. Their networks may include successful people, but not necessarily from the entertainment industry. True wealth is often found in the unglamorous sectors, far away from the spotlight. Number 4. The myth of a master plan. Some think that the rich have a secret blueprint to keep others in poverty, but this is a misconception. Wealth creators know that a prosperous economy benefits all, encouraging spending and commerce. The reality is that the wealthy are builders contributing to the economy by creating products, services, and jobs. Without these entrepreneurs and innovators, our daily lives would be very different. Number 5. Tax contributions. It's a common belief that the rich pay more taxes than anyone else. While it's true that they contribute large sums, they often pay a smaller percentage compared to the middle class. The tax system offers various incentives for businesses and investments, allowing the wealthy to leverage these rules to their advantage. Understanding this system reveals that the wealthy play by a different set of rules, often leading to significant tax savings. Be sure to watch our video, How the Rich Avoid Taxes, to learn more about these lucrative strategies. Number 6. Savings and investments. There's a notion that the wealthy are great savers, but in reality, they're better recognized for their investments. Rich people understand that saving money in a bank doesn't lead to wealth growth. Instead, they focus on increasing their income and investing in assets that generate more wealth, showing that the key to financial growth is not saving, but smart investing. Number 7. Possessing all the answers. Many believe that financial success translates to expertise in all areas of life. But this is a fallacy. Wealthy individuals may excel in their financial endeavors, but like anyone else, they face challenges that require diverse skills and knowledge. This misconception often leads to an overvaluation of the opinions of the wealthy on topics outside their expertise. Number 8. Less stress. Contrary to the belief that wealth eliminates stress, the responsibilities and decisions that come with significant wealth can actually increase anxiety. Managing investments, businesses, and the livelihoods of employees adds a considerable amount of stress to the lives of the wealthy, challenging the notion that money buys peace of mind. Number 9. Leisurely lifestyles. The image of the wealthy spending their days on exotic beaches is a fantasy sold to the masses. In reality, the lives of the rich are occupied with meetings, decision-making, and the management of their assets. The portrayal of a carefree life of luxury masks the hard work and dedication required to maintain and grow wealth. Number 10. Constant worry about money. Despite their affluence, wealthy individuals often worry about maintaining and growing their fortunes. The fear of losing what they have worked hard to build is a common concern among the rich, illustrating that wealth is not an antidote to financial anxiety. Number 11. Lack of real skills. A misconception exists that the wealthy are out of touch with practical skills or manual labor. However, the reality is that they choose to delegate tasks that are economically less valuable than their time. This strategic allocation of tasks allows them to focus on high-value activities, a principle that drives further wealth creation. Number 12. Desire for public recognition. While some aspire to be listed in Forbes as a symbol of success, many wealthy individuals prefer privacy over public acclaim. The true value of wealth often lies in its ability to improve one's life and the lives of others, rather than in public recognition or status symbols. Number 13. Apathy towards the poor. It's a common belief that the wealthy are indifferent to the plight of the poor, but many rich individuals contribute significantly to society through job creation, innovation, and philanthropy. Their wealth enables them to solve problems and offer solutions that benefit everyone, challenging the stereotype of the uncaring rich. Number 14. Pretentiousness. The notion that the wealthy are inherently pretentious or disconnected from reality is a misunderstanding. In truth, they value quality and efficiency, seeking the best in everything from food to conversation. This pursuit of excellence is often mistaken for snobbery by those who don't understand the priorities of the truly affluent. Number 15. Having everything. There's a belief that money solves all problems, giving the wealthy a perfect life. However, money only solves financial problems. The wealthy face the same personal and social challenges as everyone else. The quest for fulfillment and happiness extends beyond financial success, highlighting that wealth is not the ultimate solution to life's questions. And there you have it, folks. 15 eye-opening revelations that challenge the myths about the wealthy and their lifestyles. It turns out the world of the rich is not all Ferraris, Gucci, and endless beach vacations. Instead, it's filled with practical cars, understated fashion, and a whole lot of hard work behind the scenes. We hope this journey has not only entertained you, but also inspired you to look beyond the stereotypes and understand the true essence of wealth. Remember, it's not about the flashy exteriors or the size of one's bank account, but the value one creates and the impact they have on the world. Don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed our deep dive, subscribe for more myth-busting adventures, and share this video with someone who needs to see it. Until next time, keep questioning the norms and seeking the truth. We'll see you in the next video.